Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute Telegram notification. If you want to mute your Telegram notification and you are tired of notifications, so this video is for you. Let's start the video. First of all, go to your mobile phone setting. All the procedure is in your mobile phone setting. If you're an iPhone user, go to mobile phone setting and here you have scroll down and see an apps icon. You have to press on apps, then search for a Telegram. On you can see there's a list of all the apps in your phone. You have to search Telegram from there. After going to Telegram, click on Telegram. First of all, let me show you how Telegram looks like. Go to your app store and first of all download Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, you can't mute your notification. First of all, go to your app store and download Telegram. Then you have to come back to here and you can easily mute your notification in a very easy procedure. This is very simple video how you can mute your notification. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and also like the video and comment below if you like this video. So you have to download Telegram. You can see in my phone already Telegram is downloaded. Now let's begin to how to mute notifications. So here you can see press on Telegram. You can see a new page appear on a screen. There on the third row there's notification, allow notification. There are how your notification will appear on your screen. So just simply have to do is click on allow notification. So you have to turn off notification. You will not receive any notification from Telegram. So this is very simple video how you can easily mute your Telegram notification. So you can see if you want to show your notification on lock screen, you can also set that. If you want to show your notification on center or banners, there's a lot of type how you want to show your notification. You can also adjust that. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the more updates.